The Mermaid and the Wolf by Amanda Woolery. The beach alcove was dark, and the trees whispered to one another in the nighttime breeze. The full moonrise was creeping over the dark jungle horizon and lit the shadows of the alcove to a bluish, iridescent hue. A24 would love the scene. The moonglow twinkled across the black ocean water, and a beautiful mermaid with skin shining like obsidian flipped to the surface and floated on her back. Arms folded behind her head and tail flopping from left to right above the water's surface. She was chillin' with the full moon. While humming a sweet hymn into the light of the moon, a wolf was awakened. The full moon pulled at his whiskers and dragged his weight upright. Awake, alert, and alive, his intuition reinforced his senses, and he heard her. He thrashed across the jungle fearlessly, almost recklessly. His yearning made him brave. Arriving at the soft edge of the ocean's tide, the wolf gazed out, his paws anxiously digging into the cryptic sand. His breath was peacefully engaged and slow. A moment later, he released an echoing howl that pulsated through the alcove like invisible lightning. The sound could be felt like thunder. He was a storm on the shore. The water rippled and pushed the mermaid back to reality. Irritated by the disruption, she dashed toward the shore, siren howling, water cutting and splashing in her wake. The moon hurried to follow her, or maybe the moon hurried toward the wolf. Either way, the moon made a mad dash across the alcove, a flying saucer in the sky. The three of them arrived at the edge of three worlds. The mermaid's sweet hum was now a hypnotizing melody of wind chimes. The wolf's howl resounded as if the alcove itself was the hollow body of a guitar. The music they made wooed the moon. She pulled them closer and closer and closer together. She pulled herself closer and closer to them until she was a glowing bridge on the dark water. The wolf's trepidation was consumed by his desire, and he set foot on the arch of the moon. With each step, he made his way up and over the full moon bridge. As he came face to face with the mermaid, his yearning eased into appreciation, and her song went sweet again. The music they made together made the full moon stay all night long until the morning sun came knocking on the horizon.